Thanks so much for tuning in. Don with Driving Everest here, and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where, you guessed it, I'm going to cover something Jeep life related in 2 minutes or less. So in case the shirt or the hat didn't give it away, I'm a huge fan of Invictus Off Road and their MOLLE products. And today we're going to be installing their door panel. All right, this is going to go in with 4 simple screws, and we're going to cover it in 2 minutes or less. The first 2 screws you're going to have to remove are down here at the base of the door panel, and then just up underneath the handle are going to be 2 more. These screws down on the bottom, they're just going to take a T20 star bit. So this entire piece actually slides up and under and is then going to fold up for the perfect fit. So you've actually got to pull back the door panel just a hair so you can start working that underneath the seal. Now once you've got that in and your holes are lined up, you simply reinsert the screws and then you move on to the top. The second set of screws is right up here underneath the door handle, and it takes the T30 bit. All that's left to do is go ahead and get these top ones put back in. And that's it. Super quick, super simple, incredibly strong. Don't hesitate to pull on this to close the door. I mean, actually, don't do that, but you could. It's that strong. Anyway, no more dealing with the saggy pockets. Put a dump pouch here, put a med kit, put whatever you need. Yes, a holster will fit here, and you still have room to close the door. So check it out, invictusoffroad.com. Thanks for tuning in.